hand it should Ukraine get all the arms it needs to defend itself against Russia.
President Conley, what do you think of the EU plan to fund the Ukraine resistance?